Have you ever lain awake at night staring at the moon and wondered what would happen if it suddenly disappeared? Imagine a world without that silvery beacon in our night sky, a celestial body that has captivated humanity since the dawn of time. The moon, our planet's only natural satellite, plays a crucial role in shaping life on Earth. But what if one day, it simply vanished? The consequences are far from straightforward. In this video, we'll explore the hypothetical scenario of the moon vanishing overnight. First, to understand what might happen, we need to appreciate the vital role the moon plays in our lives. It's not just a beautiful sight in the night sky, it's an integral part of our planet's functioning. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the ebb and flow of our ocean tides. Without it, tides would be much less dramatic, driven only by the sun's weaker gravitational force. This would disrupt the natural rhythm of coastal ecosystems, potentially leading to a domino effect of ecological change. But the moon's influence extends beyond the oceans. Its light, reflected from the sun, brightens our nights and has guided humans for millennia. Without it, our nights would be significantly darker, affecting everything from our perception of the night sky to the behavior and survival of nocturnal animals. Speaking of animals, many species, from marine turtles to certain types of birds and insects, rely on the moon's light and phases for navigation, mating, and feeding. A moonless sky would undoubtedly confuse and disrupt these creatures, with unpredictable consequences for biodiversity. Furthermore, the moon stabilizes Earth's tilt, which helps maintain our planet's seasons. Without the moon, this tilt could change dramatically over time, leading to extreme climate shifts. With these crucial roles in mind, let's delve into the aftermath of the moon's disappearance. Imagine waking up one morning to find the moon gone. What immediate changes would we observe? The very first thing that would strike us is the darkness. The moon, our nightly guide, would no longer be there to light up the night sky. The stars would still twinkle, but without the moon's glow, nights would be significantly darker. This sudden plunge into darkness would have a profound impact on the creatures of the night. Owls, bats, and other nocturnal animals rely on the moon's light to hunt and navigate. With the moon gone, they would be left disoriented, their survival suddenly in jeopardy. The absence of the moon would also affect the tides. Our moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the high and low tides we experience. Without the moon, the oceans would become much calmer, affecting marine life and coastal ecosystems. But the immediate effects are just the tip of the iceberg. The long-term consequences would be far more drastic. Over time, the absence of the moon would instigate profound changes on Earth. Let's delve into the long-term effects that this lunar absence would invoke. Firstly, our tides would change dramatically. The moon's gravitational pull is responsible for the tug of the ocean tides. Without the moon, high tides would be notably lower, and low tides would be higher. This would result in a more uniform and significantly less dramatic tidal range. The shift in tides would disrupt marine life, altering ecosystems dependent on the tidal rhythm. Next, there's the potential shift in Earth's axis. Currently, the moon stabilizes the tilt of Earth's axis at around 23.5 degrees. Without the moon, Earth's axis could wobble unpredictably between 0 and 85 degrees. This would cause drastic changes in seasons, with some regions experiencing extreme temperatures. Then there's the change in the length of a day. The gravitational interaction between Earth and the moon is gradually slowing down Earth's rotation, making our days slightly longer over vast geological timescales. Without the moon, days would become shorter over time, possibly condensing to only 6 hours long. This would result in more frequent but shorter days and nights, altering sleep cycles and behaviors of many species. Finally, the impact on climate. The significant shift in Earth's axis and the change in day length would ultimately affect our climate. With altered ocean tides, the circulation of warm and cold water would change, potentially causing dramatic shifts in climate and weather patterns. These changes paint a bleak picture of a world without our lunar companion. The moon, often taken for granted, plays an integral part in maintaining the balance of life on Earth. Its absence would cause a domino effect of changes, reshaping life as we know it. So the next time you gaze at the night sky and see the moon, remember the crucial role it plays in our existence. It's not all doom and gloom though, there could be a few positives to a moonless Earth. Let's explore these potential silver linings. For one, without the moon's bright glow, our night skies would be remarkably darker. This could be a boon for astronomers and stargazers, who would have a clearer, unobstructed view of the cosmos. The Milky Way, distant galaxies, and the countless stars that often remain hidden due to the moon's brightness would suddenly become more visible. Moreover, the animal kingdom, known for its remarkable adaptability, would likely find ways to adjust to this new reality. Creatures that rely on the moon for navigation or for timing their behaviors may evolve new strategies for survival. They might develop heightened senses or shift their activities to the daylight hours. So, while we might miss the moon's familiar face, life would continue to adapt and evolve. It's a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of life on Earth. To sum up, the moon's disappearance would bring about significant changes to our world. Let's recall the highlights of our exploration. The moon, despite its silent presence in the sky, is a dynamic player in the Earth's story. Its gravitational pull stabilizes our planet's tilt and drives the ebb and flow of tides, influencing life on Earth in more ways than one. Without the moon, immediate changes would include erratic weather patterns and extreme tides. Over the long haul, the Earth's tilt could wobble dramatically, leading to extreme seasonal shifts and potential climatic chaos. However, it's not all doom and gloom. The absence of moonlight would grant us an unfiltered view of the galaxy, a silver lining in a moonless world. The moon's role in our world extends beyond its beautiful presence in the night sky. So next time you gaze up at the moon, take a moment to appreciate its silent but vital role in our lives.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. That's all for Nifty Narrations.